Right, folks, and welcome back to another episode of Cranky Conrods. Well, today we have a BMW e87. Yes, I'm sat in the passenger seat because it's blowing an absolute gale and we're in a bit of a dodgy position because the car's broke down. It refuses to start. You can put the key in the ignition over here and press the start button. It all chimes. The explanation light and everything all goes out. So we know that the clutch pedal's working and everything else, but the vehicle still refuses to start. And that brought me over to the KL30G fuse relay, which is this one here in the fuse box. Now, this one is the alarm, the immobilizer, the key, and it basically electrifies the harness and stuff like that, from what I've been told. And this one stopped clicking. So I went down the local scrapyard, pulled out of another one, out of a BMW e87, BMW e87, and I believe this is the same for most BMWs across the range. That's the e90s, 91s, E3 series, pretty much all of them with the fuse box system that looks like this. Now, if you've got KL30 in yours, oh, dang it. This is what we're looking for. So, it's just going to be one of them bloody days today. So, anyone with this sort of fuse box, I think even e46 shares the same as this. I can't really remember off the top of my head with them, but I think it's still got the same. But that's like your main relay for all of it. Anyway, so we went ahead, we've changed it, and it really is a dodgy little shit to get to. Now, see if I can get you in here a little bit more. KL30 is right up in here, just behind this bar. I don't know whether I can. So, like I said, it is a bit of a pain in the ass to see because of where it is. But the relay is over here. Right over here near this metal, behind this metal bar. It's quite tricky to get into and can be quite fiddly. Yeah, if you're getting a no start, no crank, no da-da-da, and the explanation light goes off on your dash, then you're having a good time, because it is only as simple as a relay. Now, that's that code. Where are you? There's a code on this one. There we go. So there's your BMW code numbers. Match it up. They're only about 6 or 8 quid on eBay, Amazon and stuff like that. I only paid, I think, £5 for one of these from the local scrapyard. So, yeah, don't go to BMW and buy one and, rush off thinking it's just one of them. It's not. It's just a bog standard relay, that looks like that. You could probably put a windscreen washer relay in there and it'll get you home. So, if you've got any other relays in the car that's, not used, like your wipers, etc., you could be able to get home with that as well. So, yeah. That's all I really got for you. BMWs, eh? BMW life. Got to keep them rolling. Anyway, there we go, folks. Like, subscribe, all that sort of thing. Self-promotion, over and out. Much love from me.